Alright, trying out the Walksnail system. It's different than that DJI stuff. It's like its own thing, man. Better yet, it works on a really tiny quad. This is an itty bitty little drone. It's so cute. Ooh, it's getting pretty good range. Looks alright. Oh shit. Oh, too far. Go back. Okay, that's as far as it goes, I guess. Well, that's alright. I mean, it's a little tiny thing. I didn't expect it to go too far. Picture looks pretty nice. Camera's able to pick up some dark pictures. I can kind of see. Oh, jeez. Oh, there goes the video again. Okay, we're good. Okay, the range kind of sucks. Gonna need better antennas. But the picture is nice. Look at that. I can see where I'm going. I don't feel like I am completely lost. Why is one dark roof? It does need some light. Well, it's real zippy, too. Man. I like this. I could actually fly this around my neighbors in the daytime, too. He's so itty-bitty. It doesn't hardly make any noise, either. Woo! We'll swing through there. Pretty maneuverable. It's not too bad. Was such a pain in the ass to set up. Would not recommend for people who are not technically literate. Like this handling. I wish I lived near like a park with some cool stuff to fly around. I'm gonna have to go places. Do things, man. Gotta get out of the house. I'm barely at my own front door. Oh, crap. Okay. Oh, no, we're okay. Oh, so.
Descent.
All right.